Hi and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to change the mouse pointer size, color, and style in Linux Mint Cinnamon, so let's get started. To change the mouse pointer size, go to the mouse and touchpad settings, open the window, and then use the slider to adjust the pointer size to your liking. Dragging the slider to the left will make the pointer smaller, while dragging it to the right will make it bigger, allowing you to customize the size to suit your needs. To change the mouse cursor style, open the Themes window and select a new mouse pointer theme from the available options. You can browse through the various cursor styles and choose the one that suits your taste. To download custom mouse cursors, head over to the cinnamon-look.org website, a great resource for Linux Mint Cinnamon themes and customization options. On the left-hand side of the website, select Cursors from the menu and then browse through the wide range of available cursor themes. You can even use the rating system to sort and find the most popular and highly rated cursors. If you find a cursor theme you like, press the download button to save it to your computer. After the download is complete, simply right-click on the downloaded file and select Extract here to unpack the cursor theme files, making them ready for installation on your Linux Mint Cinnamon system. To install the new cursor theme, you'll need to copy the extracted folder to the icons folder, which is located in your home directory. Simply open your file manager, navigate to your home directory. To view hidden files and folders, go to the View menu in your file manager and select Show Hidden Files. If the .icons folder is missing from your home directory, you can easily create it. Simply right-click in the file manager, select New Folder, and name it .icons. Now, paste the extracted cursor theme folder inside the .icons folder. Once that's done, go back to the Themes settings, and the new cursor theme should be available for selection. Click on it to select it, and you're good to go. Your new custom cursor theme will be applied to your Linux Mint Cinnamon desktop, giving it a fresh new look. That's it for today, folks. This is how to change the mouse pointer size, style, and color in Linux Mint Cinnamon. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.